Hello everyone, myself Viren Sharma, Public Administration Faculty at Vajiram and Ravi. Do you know the optional subject has a lot of relevance in your civil services preparation? An optional subject carry a weightage of 500 marks from the mains point of view. However, some optional can even be useful in your general studies journey as well. And public administration is one such optional which can make your GS journey very comfortable and smooth. How? Let us understand it. Public administration syllabus divided into two papers. Paper 1 is known as Administrative Theories and Concepts. It helps you to develop administrative skills, managerial skills, leadership qualities, how to motivate your subordinates, how to boost your own morale, and how to get things done, which are most essential qualities for an IAS officer or a civil servant. Paper 2 of this syllabus covers Indian administration, which gives a deeper insight into union government, state government, local self-government, law and order administration, and financial administration. These are the portions which help you a lot in your GS paper 2, GS paper 3 and GS paper 4 from the mains point of view. And even in prelims, polity and governance portion can be very easily covered from PubEd paper 2 syllabus. So imagine one single optional subject can not just only help you for 500 marks of weightage, but even help you for more than 350 marks within the general studies. If you choose public administration as an optional, in Vajiram and Ravi, you will have the following benefits. This course can be easily completed in just 120 days. By covering this, you will be able to master your both the paper in just even 3 months, because 60% of the syllabus, if you cover in detail, is good enough to even write the wonderful answers and score higher marks. We have regular classroom test. We have a regular discussion on the PYQs. We cover the entire syllabus within a time-bound manner. And we focus upon student-centric approach, so that your optional queries, your optional doubts can be discussed during the class or even after the class.